Hey friends, welcome to Uttara Shrini's Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Poha Chivda, also known as crispy poha, is an all-time favorite snack that can be enjoyed with a cup of tea or coffee anytime. This snack recipe is an authentic traditional Gujarati recipe made with less oil, making this a healthy recipe. Let's take a look onto the ingredients. Coriander powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder, green chilies, curry leaves, chopped garlic, cilantro or coriander leaves, dal moth or save. You can choose which one you would like to use. Sliced onions, sugar, cashew nuts, which is optional, poha, also known as flattened rice or beaten rice, salt, peanuts. We are using raw peanuts without skin. You can use peanuts with skin, either raw or roasted. Heat a pan on medium heat and dry roast poha for 3 to 4 minutes until nice aroma comes from poha. This gives the Poha Chivda a nice crispy texture. Poha has roasted well. Let's transfer and keep it aside. Heat a pan on medium heat. Add onions and saute for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add oil and saute until onions become little brown. I hear someone asking why I am first sauteing the onions and then adding oil. The reason is onions are slow cooked without oil until much of their moisture has been driven away. This also makes our onion extra crispy without much oil. Add split green chilies according to your taste and saute. Time to add in chopped garlic and saute for 45 seconds until nice aroma comes. It smells garlicky. No vampire would come near this dish or near you if you eat this dish. Let's add curry leaves and saute. Add in the peanuts and cashew nuts and saute until the nuts are roasted. Let's go ahead and add the spice powders. Turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, sugar, and mix well. Wow, they look amazing. Add salt to taste and mix well. Add crispy sauteed poha and mix well. Keep sauteing for another minute by mixing thoroughly. Add raisins. This is optional, but if you have kids and if you add them, they'll love this dish. Add save or dal moth and mix well. Add cilantro and mix well. Transfer to a serving dish. Look how crispy the poha and onions are. Garnish with cilantro or coriander leaves. top some more dal milk or save some fried nuts and raisins. Crunchy Poha Chivda is ready for serving. I'm serious, friends. You need to try this recipe. It's so crispy, perfectly seasoned and balanced with the sweet from raisins. Excellent flavor. This is a great option for breakfast and you'll love it. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell to receive our updates. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye!